Okay, you cannot say that this is related to theory, this is related to practical. Of course, no course is like that, but to distinguish in this course is quite difficult. Okay, so can anyone tell me that what perception do you have about this subject? You can start your mic, anyone. Okay. Here I can see roll number 15, Ayush Srivastav. What is your perception about this subject?
Sir, I think it's about quality of the material.
Quality of?
Material, machines.
Okay. Any other? Any other fellow? He can unmute and he or she can unmute and he can or he can talk. Okay. How many participants are there? 92. So this is the early morning lecture. I hope all will join in 2-3 minutes. It's the inertia that all of you are having. Okay, anyway, let me share the PPT and we will not discuss unnecessary things, etc. All those things. Okay, earlier I used to teach engineering drawing. I don't know whether uh, I have engaged yours for your batch, some engineering drawing course. I think 2 years back I left it. So whether anyone attended my course in X section in engineering drawing? Yes, anyone is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think that was the last batch, and unfortunately, due to this corona, we have to uh, stop in between after before mid sem or after mid sem. I do not recall. I think not mid sem. After second means after first sessional, during second sessional, uh, lockdown was there. So I think some of you know me, है ना? How many means who was there in mechanical means X section? That was the last batch I taught. After that, I stopped teaching now engineering drawing. Now I am not there in engineering drawing team. Who was there in X section? Anyone? यहाँ पे चैट में लिखते हो क्या? मैंने चैट बॉक्स ओपन नहीं किया है. ठीक है, anyway. चलो. So let me share. Why I am asking you that? Because let me share screen only. Here. Okay. So let me share this screen. Can you see screen? This metrology and quality assurance screen. आप लोग chat box में लिखते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway. So see, what we have started with engineering drawing, and this course also start with engineering drawing. Specifically speaking, this starts with machine drawing. Those who cannot read machine drawing, they cannot understand how to do machining. Okay, so if you are having any object, Suppose this is a simple object that I am having. Okay, this is what a simple object that we are having. So suppose this is some so suppose this object, if I draw the sectional view of this, okay, if you draw the sectional view of this, you will find some sort of drawing like this. It should not be there. This is uniform. This line should not be there. अभी मैं मिटाने की जगह I am just doing this like this, and it will be in continuity. Okay, so you would be having some diameter. Okay, phi something like that, 60, and here phi. Okay, whatever dimensions are there, phi 20. This may be phi 30, and this may be phi 30. So whatever the dimensions are there, length. So length, suppose this is what you can say 70. This length is 80. Okay. Now, have you gone through tolerances and dimensioning and geometric tolerances, GD and T? Have you gone through this? Geometric and dimensional tolerances, G and DT. Anyone have written anything? Geometric and dimensional tolerances. Have you studied this part? Is anyone? Okay. So you have already studied this. So if you are